Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by powering down and unplugging the laptop, safety first. Once done, use a hairdryer on low for 15-30 seconds to warm the sticker. This softens glue and prevents paint lift. Next, slide a plastic card under a lifted corner and pry gently. You're aiming for steady, slow peeling at a 30-45 degrees angle so the adhesive releases without ripping surface finish. If a corner won't lift, reheat briefly and try again. Now you'll tackle adhesive residue. Choose 70% plus isopropyl alcohol or a dedicated citrus-based remover because they dissolve glue without harsh solvents. Apply a small amount to a microfiber cloth or cotton swab and dab the residue. Don't pour liquid onto the laptop to protect ports and internals. Work in small sections and wipe along the finish grain. This prevents streaking. Once the goo softens, rub gently until it lifts, then switch to a clean cloth to remove any remaining film. Finish by wiping the cleaned area with a slightly damp microfiber cloth, then dry thoroughly and let the laptop air for 10-15 minutes before powering on. Make sure you inspect edges, vents, and ports for any remaining residue or trapped moisture. Use a dry swab for tight spots. If a sticker pulls paint or the finish starts to lift, stop immediately. Continued scraping makes it worse. Try a gentler adhesive remover on a corner or seek professional repair to avoid permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.